Hello everyone, I am going to revise few questions for standard 12 board practice. So try to answer. So for CBSE Board 2025 board practice questions for 10 especially 12 for 12 or some 10 questions are also included. You can join and you can get benefit. Biology MCQ. Today we are starting on MCQ type of questions. So the first question try to answer is the finger-like projection of the trophoblast is called. The right answer, you have to answer this question. A finger-like projection that developed in implantation during implantation in the mother's womb, that is called chorionic villi. Your answer will be chorionic. Your correct answer will be chorionic villi. Chorionic villi. So chorionic villi is the correct answer. Second question. In sample of DNA, thymine is 20%. What is the percentage of guanine? You know, adenine is always, thymine is always equal to adenine, and thymine adenine equal to 20 plus 20 will be 40%, and rest 100 minus 40, 60% will be for guanine and cytosine. They are equally counterparts, so 60 by 2 you can get 30%. So your 30% will be correct answer. Second. Third question. After fertilization, the Graafian follicle is regresses into. Graafian follicle is regresses into corpus luteum. Corpus luteum. So corpus luteum is the correct answer. Next, corpus luteum is the correct answer. And third question is, next question, fourth question. The year 2003 was celebrated as 50th anniversary for what purposes? For discovery of DNA or model given by Watson and Crick. So Watson and Crick given the DNA helical model of double helical model of DNA, and hence this anniversary 2003. It was given in 1953. They awarded and got the Nobel Prize. Hence the 50th anniversary is considered as celebrated as the birth anniversary. Now next question is, ribotide is made up of the constituents of ribotide. Ribotide is made up of ribose sugar. Okay, your correct answer will be ribose sugar, not DNA, RNA. Ribose sugar, phosphate and erasive nitrogenous bases. So in this way, you can correct your answer. Next. Across it, try to answer across between two tall plants resulted in offspring having few dwarf plants. What would be the genotype of the parent plant? 4 genotypes are given: capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, and capital T, small t, and small t, small t. Now, if this combination is 10, so at least one T factor will be given to the progeny, so that makes them tall. So all will be tall. If this also taken, one factor goes, and it also make in monohybrid cause if one is tall. But if you take this one, That is, you might have studied that in monohybrid cross, the F1 is selfing. So when you F1 is selfing, 3:1 in 3:1 ratio, the two different type of parental characters appear once again. Like the tall and dwarf appearing 3:1 ratio. In this case, what happens? In this case, also two type of parents here. Two type of parental character will appear. But 50-50%. Here 50% tall, 50% dwarf. This is a test cross. But what your question is saying? Your question is saying that having few dwarf plants. So for few, your correct answer will be this one. 7. If the sequence of nitrogenous bases of the coding strand of a DNA in the transcriptional unit is 5' to 3' direction, A, T, G, A, T, G. Okay. Now the sequence of the bases, if you practice this one properly, I think one question will be there. Definitely, this sequence may be changed, but type will be known. In its when NET examination, messenger RNA transcript would be. Now try to understand. In transcriptional unit, here is the promoter site, here is the terminator site, and these are structural genes, which out of a structure, and this one is a template strand, this one is a coding strand. And the transcribed from the messenger RNA transcribed, which is complementary to this one, but equivalent to the coding strand, except at the place of thymine there will be miss. So your correct answer will be A, U, G, A, U again, and G. So this option, if present, that will be the correct answer. I think your A option, in this case, A option is correct one. Always transcription taking place in 5' to 3' direction. So it will be 5' to 3' direction. We can also write. So if you understood this one, you can solve one question in NEET and at least one or two questions in many questions you can give related to this if you want the answer. 8th question. Yeast is an important source of. So yeast is an important source of riboflavin B12. Riboflavin is the B12 type of vitamins. B2. B12 is a cyanocobalamin, so B complex. 9th question is there. Bandhan Shiva efforts for patenting is associated with which plant is associated with this Bandhan Shiva efforts, which failed to get the patent of turmeric, neem, ginger or mango. Your correct answer will be neem. Name of free living non-pathogenic nematodes which DNA is sequence. Its DNA is totally sequence. Your the correct answer is here. The Cornohabtis elegans. The spelling you can understand. Try to understand. Cornohabtis elegans. What you pronounce? That is completely sequence. So your correct answer will be Cornohabtis elegans. Okay. So in this way you can easily solve. Next is assertion is a type of questions I have also made here. DNA polymerase works in the direction of 5 to 3 prime direction. Now you have to answer in ABCD. You are already familiar with this. Then about the code A, B, C, D. When A will be answered, B will be C, and D. Both the statements are correct, and the region is the right expansion of a substance. Then your answer will be A. Both are correct, but no relation. Then B. A is true, B is false, and C. B is A is false, B is true, then D. So in this way, here in this case, DNA polymerase works in direction of 5 prime to 3. These are true. DNA polymerase moves in 5 prime to 3 prime direction. No, it's wrong. It always moves from 3 prime to 5 prime direction, opposite to the transcription done by DNA polymerase. So in this way, the assessment is assertion is true, region is false. So answer will be C. Now, deoxyribonucleoside triphosphate serve as a dual purposes. So they do not act as a proofreader and provide energy. No. So this one is again true, but this one they act as a proofreader as well as provide energy and serving a dual function. So again your answer will be C here also. Floating cover placed over the slurry in a biogas plant keeps on rising. You know, biogas plants, the cover on keeps on rising. Why the cover rising? Keeps on rising. The reason is this cover keeps on rising due to the gas producing in the tank by biochemical activity. So both are true, and it's the right reason is the right explanation of the assertion. Hence, your answer will be A. But if bio word is removed, as given in my examination, I am not given bio, only chemical element. So your answer will be again, this one is wrong and this one is true. So your answer will be C. So thank you. I think this question will help you to practice board examination. It is rightly said that nothing is easy when you are busy, but it is everything is difficult when you are lazy. Okay, nothing will be easy when you will be lazy. Thank you.